To apply for license, permit, certificate or others, that is LPCO in NNSW, open the home page of the system in a browser, click on online submission and then click on license, permit, certificate and others. In this login page, enter your PAN and password to login. Under the operations menu, click on new LPCO. You will have to fill in the forms within the shown tabs. Under the header tab, select the agency in the type of LPCO field to apply for associated LPCO for import or export. For example, let's select DFTQC for import permit of food items. In related products, the range of HS codes of items associated with the agency can be seen. In user reference number, you can edit the system generated code and type in any number or text as per your choice. This code can be used to easily search this LPCO later. These prohibited fields of request number, request date, approval reference, approval date, valid from and valid to will be auto-filled by the system after submission and processing of the application. Select the country from where items are being imported in country of export field. In the entry point field, select the customs office for goods entry. In type of use field, select single use if the items will arrive in single consignment, or else select multiple use. In inspection office field, select the agency office location where the items will be inspected. Select the purpose of import in purpose field. These two transport related fields will have to be filled during inspection request. Here you can see the rules and regulations of agency regarding the import or export of items. Go to name and parties tab. In exporter or sender name and address field, type company name and address of the foreign exporter. Enter your email ID in the company email field to receive email notification for application status updates. These two fields are optional. Proceed to the items tab. Click on the plus icon to add an item and its related information. In commodity code field, type in the first two digits of the HS code of the item and select the matching code from the system suggested list. The commodity description of the selected HS code can be seen. In commercial description field, type the commercial name of the item mentioned in the performa invoice. Select the country where the item has been produced in country of origin field. If the manufacturer of the item is a different company, then fill in the details here or else leave it empty. In quota type, you have to enter the quantity of the item in unit as per the HS code, or the amount as per the valuation, or the quantity in kg for gross mass or net mass of the item. The approved amount and remaining amount fields will be updated after processing of the application by the agency. Enter the size of the package of the item as mentioned in the performa invoice in packaging size field. Click on the add button to add this item. The first item gets listed in the table as seen. To edit an item detail, click on the pen icon. To remove an item, click on the bin icon. To add another item, click on the plus button. Fill in the item details in the same way as shown before. Click on add button. Similarly, add other items with different HS codes. Go to attach document tab. Here you can see the mandatory document of performa invoice in the table. To attach the scan file, click on the pen icon. Enter the invoice number in reference number field and the invoice date as shown. Click on the file field to browse and select the scan file. The file size should be 2 MB or less. Click on open. Click on update to upload the file. The performa invoice has been attached. Click on view to view the file. To attach other supporting documents required by the agency, click on the add new attachment button. In code field, select the code and type of document to be attached. If nothing matches from the list, select Others. Browse and select the scan file. You can type the title of the attached document in the reference number field. Date is optional. Click on Add button. Similarly, you can upload all the required documents for the LPCO. In Fees tab, the processing fees of the agency can be seen after submission of the application. After filling all the mandatory information, you can click on Store button to save the LPCO application as a draft and submit at a later date. Click on Submit button to send the application to the agency for processing. In confirmation pop-up window, click on Yes button. The application has been submitted successfully. The submission number and date can be seen here. Latest work process on the application can be seen in the Support Information tab. The status updates of the LPCO application will be notified via email and web tracker app.